Hello everyone, we're back with another good question. Let's solve it right away. When solving this question, we use the principle of order of operations. PEMDAS in short. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. There's another feature here. Multiplication and division are not ordered. They are performed from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction are performed from left to right. Now, let's solve the question using these rules. Parentheses, exponent, there is also addition between them. Parentheses, exponent. Here we first do the parentheses because the exponent is outside the parentheses. Inside the parentheses, 5 minus 3 equals 2 and there's 2 on top of it. Inside the parentheses, 2 plus 3 equals 5 and there's 2 on top of it. Now, let's calculate the exponents. 5 to the power of 2 means 5 times 5. Let's solve. 2 times 2 plus 5 times 5. 2 times 2 equals 4. And 5 times 5 equals 25. Finally, we add 4 plus 25 equals 29. Congratulations if you solved it this way. Now, find your answer to this question and write it in the comments. Let's see who can find the correct answer. Our videos will continue. Subscribe using the logo on the screen so you don't miss any new videos. You can access other videos from the boxes on one side. See you in the next video.